Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Crypto News. In this video, we are going to see about the cryptocurrency, gold and share market. Basically, the investment opportunity prevails over there, and we will be seeing how these products are going to perform in future as well as how it has performed and given the results in the past years. Mostly, we'll be seeing about the return of investments in each and every product so that it will be easy for you to understand better and take a wise decision based on our analysis. And kindly support us by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell icon near to that. Before going into the video, please note that I am not an investment advisor. All the contents here are for information purpose only. Please do your own research before investing in any of the products that we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, let's move on to the video. First, we are going to discuss about the cryptocurrencies. So what is actually the cryptocurrency? So the cryptocurrency is a kind of a decentralized digital currencies, and the transactions here is going to happen peer to peer. So let's say if you want to transfer some BTC, that is a Bitcoin, which was actually created in 2009. That's a kind of digital currency. Say let's say if you want to transfer that Bitcoin to some of your parties which is going to be there in your receiving end, you do not need a bank at all, so you can just directly do the transaction without the bank, and the transaction will be completed within say 10 minutes. And one more thing is that it's going to be very fast than compared to your wire transfer, and also the transaction fees is also going to be very less. And one more property of this particular Bitcoin is that you cannot have more than 21 million of Bitcoin at any point of time. Meaning to say that it cannot be minted like your US dollars, that is going to get minted whenever there is a crisis like situations in 2008 or during Corona and all. So that is one of the feature of this digital currency. And one more thing is that it is going to be working in a decentralized fashion. Nobody can interfere with any of the transaction happening in the Bitcoin blockchain. So this is not the only coin which is going to be there in the market. There are a lot of such digital currencies. One is Bitcoin, and that is called as digital gold as well. And we have some more coins like Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Monero, and all. Each is going to have some specific properties. If you take the Ethereum, which is going to be another product, let's say in cryptocurrency field, what are the special features of this Ethereum is that you can write a program in that particular blockchain, and that program is going to work in a decentralized fashion. And one topic which is coming up in this Ethereum is that DeFi, that is decentralized finance. So you just need to note all these kind of properties in all these digital currencies so that you can make a wise decision while picking up the best cryptocurrencies for your portfolio. Next is Ripple. Ripple is called as XRP, and this is going to facilitate the fund transfer between the banks. So this guy is going to work along with bank to make the settlement faster and cheaper. And the next coin is the Litecoin. Litecoin is going to have similar features like Bitcoin, but only thing is that Litecoin is going to be very fast than Bitcoin. So the transactions are going to be done in second. Even though it's going to have some better features, but Bitcoin is going to be the forefather of all the cryptocurrencies, and hence people are interested more in Bitcoin rather than any other cryptocurrencies for that matter, even the Litecoin as well. The Litecoin is called as silver, whereas the Bitcoin is called as a digital gold. And the next coin we are going to discuss is the Monero. Monero is kind of a cryptocurrency where the transaction will be more private than any other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Litecoin, because in Monero they are using the concept of stealth address. It means that the account number is not going to be revealed, as well as the amount that is going to be transferred using the address are also not going to be revealed. So everything will be hidden, and hence the transaction done using this Monero blockchain is going to be more private. So we have just seen 5 coins out of 5,000 odd coins in the crypto world. So we have to analyze each and every product like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other products, and then we have to understand their projects, and we have to take a wise decision whether to include that in your portfolio or not. Now we will see Bitcoin and how it is getting adopted in the real business, and how the return on investment for that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well in the coming slides. Many people will have the Bitcoin in their crypto portfolio just because that it has got major impact in the business. Let's say if you want to use Amazon, yes, you can use Amazon using Bitcoin. You can buy products in that, but it's not a direct way. You have to use gift or e-gifter site to get the gift card from them using a Bitcoin, and then you can use you can use the gift card in Amazon site to buy any of the products you want. And Amazon is not the one. You can even use Bitcoin in Microsoft site to buy any of your softwares that is needed for your PCs. And you can also use the Bitcoin in travel sites like Traveler, or you can book the flight tickets using cheap air. That's also can be done using Bitcoin. So Bitcoin can be used in some of the business, and it is getting adopted in a lot of areas. So the adoption rate is going to be high. Now let's see the return on investment on various cryptocurrencies. Though we cannot take all the cryptocurrencies for this matter, we will consider one from each category and try to understand how the return on investment is going to be there in those cases. Let's say Bitcoin, which was introduced in the year of 2009, initial price is actually zero. It does not have any value at all in the year 2009 when it was introduced. Now the current price, while I am presenting this to you, it is around 7550. So if you see the percentage returns, that is a percentage growth, that is 755,000. It is almost 7.5 lakhs percentage. So think about this, guys. Do you know any other product in this world which can give this much return apart from Bitcoin? Actually, I do not know anything of such case. If you find anything, could you please write all those things in the comment section? Maybe I will try to understand then, and maybe I can put a video in the future as well. And the next is Ethereum. This was actually introduced in 2014. The initial price was around zero point 0.3 USD, that is 3 cents. Kickstarted using the crowdfunding. The fund was received using BTC, hence it was 3 cents during the listing time. Their currency is called Ether. Now that Ether is trading at 193 US dollars, 64,000 percentage. So this is also a great percentage, great growth rate. So this is possible only in crypto world, I guess. And next is XRP, that is Ripple. That one we have mentioned in the previous slide. So it was having the listing price of 0.01 USD, and it is trading at 0.196. So it has given the return of 1860%. And next one is Litecoin, which was listed in 2011. The listing price is 3 cents and the current price is $45. So you could see the percentage growth, that is 15,000. The next coin is Monero, which was listed in 2014 and with the initial price of 2.47 US dollar. Now the current trading price is 61.7 US dollar. So you could see the growth of around 2400 percentage. So you could see the percentage growth in the cryptocurrency that is having a enormously high value. So it is good to take these things in your portfolio, but only thing is you have to think about the volatility of this coin. So if you see in 2018, it was reaching the maximum value, that is of $20,000, and then it has started decreasing and it has reached the minimum of around let's say $3,500, and again it has reached around $12,500. So the volatility of this coin, I mean for this matter, you can take any cryptocurrencies, is going to be high, and it's going to be around 20 to 30% up. It's not like a stock market where you used to get 2 to 3%, but here it's going to be around 20 to 30%. So you should be strong enough to take up this 20 to 30% volatility, and if you are good, then it is good to go into in your portfolio. Okay, the next product is gold. So gold is one of the traditional assets and we use that for investment purpose. So investment in gold can be done in three different ways. One is gold bullion, that is gold bars or coins. So bar or coins, both of them has high liquidity. It means that when you buy a gold in form of bar or coin, you can sell it easily. Let's say it is a bar, you can cut the bar into many small such grams and you can sell it easily in any jewelry shops also. Same way you can do that for coins as well. So doing investment in this gold bullion, that is bars or coin, is going to provide high liquidity, but only thing is you need to spend a lot of money in maintenance. That is, you need to have a better security to avoid any theft. Second is gold ETF. So what is gold ETF? It is just an alternative to a direct purchase of gold bullion. So whoever cannot buy the gold bars or coin directly, they can choose this method of buying gold ETF. So you can buy these ETF in small units or in fractions. So each unit is going to represent the actual amount of gold. In this case, that is using gold ETF, you do not need any high maintenance because you are not going to safeguard the gold bar or coin. You're just going to have things on paper or in as a soft copy. So the maintenance is going to be very low. And the next option is gold mutual funds. So the AMCs are going to buy large gold and then they are going to create products for you so that you can buy those mutual fund products, and it is actually an indirect way of investing in gold. In gold ETF, that is the previous case, whatever we have considered, there you need to do the analysis of whether the gold price is going to increase or decrease. All those things you have to do it yourself. But people who do not have good knowledge about the gold market and do not have any time, they can choose the gold mutual fund products. There they have a dedicated fund manager to do all the buying and selling and to maintain the gold mutual funds. So this is considered one of the easiest and safest way to invest in gold. So the bottom line here is the large investors will go and choose this gold bullion, that is bars or coins, and the retail and small investors will choose the product from gold ETF or from gold mutual funds. So that's the bottom line here. Now let's see how this product has gone from the year 1983 till 2020. You see that the value here, it started at the price of around $300 in 1983 and it has reached 1725 US dollar in 2020. So you see the price here in 2009. So the price in 2009, that's the point you need to consider, because the Bitcoin, that's a cryptocurrency, came in that particular year, and it was having zero value in when it was in 2009. Now it has reached around 7,500 $8,000. So it means that it is 7.5 lakh percentage. But you see here, it has just doubled, that is around 100 percentage of growth. And next is the stock market. So in the stock market, how we can invest is that you can choose either primary market or secondary market. So what is primary market? Primary market is something that buying the shares during the IPO, that is initial public offering. And the secondary market is that you are going to buy the listed shares from any of the stock exchanges. So using stock market, you can start buying the shares. It is indirectly equivalent to investing money in the company. While doing that, you will get a share from that company. So as the company grows, and the share price will also go up, and vice versa as well. I mean to say that if the company is not going to perform good, the share price will also go down. So now let's see how we can get benefits by investing in the stock market. The first one is dividends. So dividends is something like sharing the profit, whatever the company has earned in that particular year so far. So after getting the profit, the company may be interested in sharing the profit with all the shareholders. So that is one way of earning money in the stock market. And the second option is via capital growth. Capital growth is something like your share price has gone up because the confidence level of all the investors in that particular company has gone up. Because of that, people will be pouring the money into the stock market to buy that particular script. So that leads to higher rate of return for your investment. So if you see the average return in the stock market, you will get around 8 to 9%. Safely you can assume around 10% will be the annual growth rate in stock market. Now we will do a comparative study of all these three things, whatever we have seen so far. So we'll start from the cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency, we have discussed about 4 different products, but there are a lot of products. You can check out in coin.bitcoin.altcoin.portfolio. So there you can see a lot of different products. We have seen Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Monero. So in that, Bitcoin tops the percentage growth, that is around 7.5 lakhs. That's the rate of return. And for the gold, if you consider the same period of 2009, it's having the a value of around 650 US dollar, and currently it is around 1725 US dollar. You have around 165% growth. And next is the stock market, where you are going to get around 10% average growth. So far we have seen various investment options, that is cryptocurrencies via gold as well as via share market. So you could easily see the growth is going to be very much high in cryptocurrency, and it is followed by stock market, and it is again followed by gold. So if you want higher rate of return, then you obviously have to choose cryptocurrency. If you're okay kind of return, then you can go for stock market. If you want to play very safe, then you can choose gold. The one thing you have to note is that higher rate of return always comes with higher risk. That's the point you just need to make a note of. So in gold, the returns may be less, but it is going to be very safe bet. If you want to take average risk so that you are going to get average return, then you can choose stock market. Again, I am just not an investment advisor, so all the content presented here are for just information purpose only. Please do your own research before investing. Hope the video was useful to you. If you have any questions in today's content, please post all your questions in the comment box, and you may have a lot of suggestions or feedback, or if you want me to take up any particular topic that needs to be discussed, please post that as well. I'll definitely look into all your comments and reply back. Thank you. Bye for now.